2. Nervous system. We have learned that our body can perform so many wonderful functions which no other machine can do. It grows, feels, smells, tastes, moves, talks, laughs, and cries. All these functions are performed by different systems that work together. Unlike machines, which have to be controlled by human beings, the human body is a machine which has a control system of its own, called as the nervous system. Nervous system. The brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves form the nervous system. The nervous system is ever busy controlling all the other systems of our body. The entire nervous system is made up of nerve cells called neurons and nerve fibers called axons. Nerves are made up of bundles of nerve fibers. Kinds of nerves. There are 3 kinds of nerves that perform different functions. 1. Sensory nerves. The nerves that bring messages from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord are called sensory nerves. Nervous system. 2. Motor nerves. The nerves that carry orders from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles or glands are called motor nerves. 3. Mixed nerves. These nerves carry messages to the brain as well as bring orders from the brain. Our nervous system is divided into 3 parts. The brain and spinal cord form the central nervous system. The nerves from brain and the spinal cord form the peripheral nervous system. The system which is not under the control of our will and pleasure and is made up of special nerve cells called ganglia is called autonomous nervous system. This system controls the working of the internal organs. The brain. The brain is the most important and wonderful delicate organ. The brain is at the top of the spinal cord and is protected by the skull of cranium. It is made up of millions of nerve cells and nerve fibers. The brain is the center of the nervous system. It consists of 3 main parts. Brain. 1. The cerebrum. It is the largest part of the brain. It is called big brain. It helps us to think, speak, remember, hear, feel, and decide. It is the center of all the senses. So, it helps us to hear, see, smell, taste, and feel. 2. The cerebellum. The cerebellum or small brain works under the control of the cerebrum. It lies at the back of cerebrum. It coordinates the working of the muscles and also helps in maintaining the balance of the body. 3. The medulla oblongata. The medulla or brainstem is like a bulb below the cerebellum. It controls the most important activities of our body like the heartbeat, breathing, digestion, and the working of many other internal organs. It connects brain to the spinal cord. It is active even when we sleep. The spinal cord. It is the continuation of the medulla. It runs downward along the back of the body as spinal cord, which is located inside the hard, bony spine or backbone. It links the brain with the rest of the body and also controls reflex actions. Spinal cord. Reflex action. Some of our actions are automatic. We do not have to think before doing them. These are called reflex actions. Example: 1. When you are ironing the clothes, accidentally if you touch iron box, immediately your hand moves away. 2. When you step on a pin, you jump up at once. These actions are controlled by the spinal cord and not by the brain. When you touch the iron box, the sensory nerves quickly pass a message to the spinal cord. The spinal cord immediately orders the motor nerves to direct the muscles of the hand to move away. Blinking of eyes, watering of the mouth, and salivation on viewing or smelling any delicious food are the examples of reflex actions. The sense organs. The organs connecting us to the outside world through our senses are known as sense organs. They are like the windows of the brain to the world. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin are the sense organs. The eyes. Eyes are the organs of sight with the help of which we are able to see the world around us. Eyes, iris, pupil, lens, retina, optic nerve. Each eye is a ball-like structure. It is safely set in a deep bony socket and is further protected by the eyelids and the eyelashes. These help to keep dust and dirt out of our eyes. The colored circle in the eye is called the iris. The pupil is the opening through which light enters. The image of the object falls on the nerve screen called retina. The eye is connected to the brain with the help of a sensory nerve called the optic nerve. Care of the eyes. Our eyes are very delicate organs and need special care. They are: 1. Wash your eyes regularly with clean cold water. 2. Do not read in dim light or very bright light. This tires the eyes. 3. Do not read while lying on the bed or in the moving vehicle. 4. Sit at least 6 feet away from the television set. 5. Never rub your eyes with dirty hands. Studying under proper lamp. The ears. Ears are the organs of hearing, which help us to hear different kinds of sounds. They also enable us to keep our balance. The outer ear helps to catch and direct sound waves to the inner ear. Ear, eardrum, inner ear, outer ear. Care of the ears. Our ears are also delicate organs which need special care. 1. Ears can be damaged by loud sounds. 2. Do not clean your ears with pins, matchsticks, toothpicks. It may damage the eardrum inside. 3. Consult a doctor in case of an earache. The nose. Nose is the sense organ of smell through which we are able to smell. The sense of smell and the sense of taste are linked together. Care of the nose. 1. Keep the nose clean by blowing the nose gently. 2. The hair inside the nose filter dust from the air. So, breathe through nose. 3. Do not pick your nose with fingers or pencils. Nose. Air through the nose. Roof of the mouth. The tongue. Tongue is the sense organ of taste through which we can taste things. The surface of the tongue is covered with many tiny birds called taste buds. The nerve endings in the taste buds detect 4 major tastes, that is, sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. Tongue. The skin. Skin is the sense organ through which we are able to feel pain, pressure, temperature, and the sensation of touch. The skin forms a covering for the entire body and protects the internal organs. The pores on the surface of the skin allow some body waste to come out as sweat. Care of the skin. 1. Take a bath every day with soap and water to remove dust and sweat from the skin. 2. Wear clean, loose and comfortable clothes. 3. Cuts and scratches should be treated with an antiseptic lotion. Skin. Let's revise the important points. 1. The nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. 2. The nervous system is made up of neurons and axons. 3. The brain is the control center of the human body. 4. The spinal cord controls the reflex actions. 5. The brain has 3 parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. 6. Reflex actions are automatic reactions. 7. The sense organs are the windows of the brain to the outside world. 8. We must take care of our sense organs in order to keep them healthy.